This is a two-bedroom show house here at Azure Sky Park in Syokimau. The two-bedroom units are on sale for only 8.5 million Kenya shillings, and the size is 76.08 square meters. And just like all the units, you are only required to deposit 20% and pay the rest in installments for 6 months. The construction, of course, is ongoing, and the units will be handed over in December this year, 2025. This is a unit that is good for residential, and you can raise a beautiful family here. As you can see, it's an open plan kitchen, and the sitting area comes with a balcony, and one of the bedrooms is master en suite. The finishing is top notch and the spacing is good. Let's take a tour and see. And this is what a two-bedroom unit here at Azure Sky Park in Syokimau look like. The two-bedroom units are on sale for 8.5 million Kenya shillings. The two-bedroom units are on sale for 8.5 million Kenya shillings. And remember, the units, the construction is on course. The handover date is set for December this year, 2025. The payment plan is very flexible. All you need to do is to deposit 20% of 8.5. That comes to about 1.7 million Kenya shillings, and thereafter you do a monthly installment of about 1,133,000. That is 1.133 for the next 6 months. But even if you choose to do quarterly installments, that is okay. You can even choose to do a higher deposit, maybe a 30% deposit as down payment or a 50% deposit as down payment, and stagger the rest for the next of the construction period. By December this year, you have your unit. So the two-bedroom units, and the size of the two-bedroom is 76.08 square meters. The size is 76.08 square meters. Let's just take a tour of the unit and see. So this is what the two-bedroom looks like. When you come from the door, you have this area here that gives you more provision for storage. And here there's this cabinetry that we put here. You can choose what to keep inside. Just slide like that, press like that, and it slides out, and you get to keep a lot of items there. So sometimes this area you can use as where you keep the shoe rack and those other items. And then now there's this small dustbin here. This is the path leading to the kitchen. And the kitchen is just next here. This is the kitchen, open plan kitchen, marble, sleek countertop, 1, 2, 3, nicely fitted kitchen. And remember, all the kitchens in all the units come with fitted kitchen appliances. And when I say fitted kitchen appliances, what I imply is the hood. This is what is to evacuate moisture when cooking. You remember when you are cooking when you're cooking here, there's the vapor. So this one absorbs the vapor, and then you have the cooking area, and then the oven will be down there. And then this is the sink area, large sink area. Water is 24/7. Remember, there's plenty of water here. The developer sunk boreholes to supplement the water that is used in the area. And now we have more decoration here. There's a plant, and then just next to the kitchen is where you have the provision for your dining. Just typically like all the other units, this is just like a 3-bedroom, take away 1 bedroom, and you get a 2-bedroom. So if you watch the 3-bedroom that we did, it will give you a glimpse of what a 2-bedroom look like. A 2-bedroom here is just a 3-bedroom, take away 1 bedroom. You get a 2-bedroom here. So this is the sitting room area. The sitting room area, as you can see, to sit right there with a 55 inches TV, and you have the round tables there. You have the nice leather carpet, and then in all the units, you have sliding glass doors leading to the balcony area. And remember, just like I said before, Azure Sky Park are apartments just adjacent at the very edge of the Nairobi National Park, that when you are inside those units, you get to see what is happening in the at the Nairobi National Park. Now I am at the balcony area, and just beyond is Nairobi National Park. You look at those tickets. So if I had a telescope, I would simply catch a glimpse of a grazing animal, just a wild animal just wandering in the park. That is the park that is beyond Azure Sky, just located here in Syokimau, next to Nairobi National Park. Very magnificent rooms, very nicely done. The balcony is wide, you can see. This is now will be your resting area. I don't want to take a lot of time in these units because we have toured several of them. Now let's just come to the one of the bedrooms. One of the bedrooms, these are 2-bedroom apartment. This is one of the bedrooms. This one is the master bedroom. The master bedroom, that is when you turn right from the bedroom. At the right corner is where you have the bedroom area. You can just have a look. The bedroom itself, the washroom itself is very spacious, and then this is the bedroom area. And all the units come with the large windows for more light. All the bedrooms, meaning these are units that when you occupy, you minimize the cost of electricity. Why? Because during the day you don't need to rely on electricity during the day. You simply need to open your windows, not even opening the windows, but now the curtains. Just through the window you get to view whatever is happening outside, and then the room is very spacious, as you can see. And then on the floor is now you have the wooden tiles. This is, like I said, is to give you a lot of peace and efficiency when it comes to cleaning. You know, with wooden tiles you don't need water to mop and all that. You only need maybe to just wipe away the dust. And then now this is the closet area. As you can see, the closets are just standardized here. All the units, they have just the standard closet features. A lot of storage, you can put in bags and all that, as you can see. Nothing much, but the level of efficiency that has been used to build these units, it is just indeed amazing. It is wonderful. It is applaudable. This is the master bedroom. Master bedroom, it is en suite, meaning you do everything within your bedroom. That is your bed there. After taking a rest, wake up in the morning. Sometimes you want to open the window for aeration, and you come and take a shower here, go dress up, and then open the door and show up. Take your tea, go to the dining, take tea, and then you can show up at your workspace. Now let's have a look at the other bedroom. This is another bedroom. This bedroom is not master en suite, but it shares a common washroom area, as you can see. And then you have the pantry area. This is the pantry area. Now this is where you keep the carpets and all that. And then you have the water boiler. Like I said, this boiler, the capacity is over 40 liters, and it keeps the water warm for more than 48 hours. And that is the area for the shared washroom. And this now is the bedroom itself. This bedroom, maybe this could be kids' room, typically kids' room, as you can see. Even the way the decoration has been done on the pillows, just to give you a sign that this should be used as an area for kids. And you have the study lamps everywhere, the sockets everywhere, and then now the closet here, the closets, the standardization that has been done is just amazing. It is a beautiful thing how this developer has done everything. Everything is neat. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. I hope this will be. They will maintain the same pace and the same efficiency till the end of the construction. This is good. Everything about this unit is wow. Now, let's talk about a 2-bedroom. Why a 2-bedroom? With a 2-bedroom unit, so let's say you are comparing between a 2-bedroom unit and a 3-bedroom unit. Why would you go for a 2-bedroom unit and not a 3-bedroom unit? One is the budget. A 3-bedroom unit will cost you 13 million. 2-bedroom unit will cost you 8.5. But as I said, a 2-bedroom unit is just a 3-bedroom unit less 1 bedroom, and you get a 2-bedroom unit. But for comfortable living, all the units are good. If you don't fit the budget for a 3-bedroom, why don't you opt for a 2-bedroom at 8.5 and enjoy your stay here? Another thing to add is why I insist that buying off-plan is good is once you identify a developer like Azure Sky Park, this is a well-established developer, and you are rest assured that they will do amazing work to completion, and they will deliver as per what is promised. You pay today, by December you have your unit. Because as you look at the structure itself, it has been done. What is remaining is just the finishing here and there, and then the unit is done, and now they embark on amenities, gym, swimming pool, and all that. As I said in the other video, all the amenities that you might want in when you are staying in Kilimani, Kileleshwa, Lavington, they are all here in Syokimau. All the churches, all the mosques, the roads network is good, everything is just perfect. And these are units just at the tail end next to Nairobi National Park, just like you can be at the balcony and then viewing wild animals wandering in the park. So the decision is yours. If you're interested, the number is on the screen. You can call or WhatsApp, and personally I'll take it upon myself to help you secure a unit here that suits your budget. Until next time, my name is Bob, and of course, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so that every time we do such videos, YouTube automatically notifies you and you get to enjoy what we do here. Thank you very much. Have a good day.